Hello everyone, Task 3.1 Federated Authentication and Authorization Infrastructure Design, Implementation and Deployment. This task is leading by University of Galway with the other partners. Authentication and Authorization. Authentication is the process of verifying identity of a user device system attempting to access a particular resource, service or application. It is primary purpose to ensure that the entity it requesting access is who is it to claim by. Authorization, on the other hand, comes into play after authentication. Once a user device or system is successfully authenticated, the authorization process determines what action or resources that entity is allowed to access within the system. In short, authentication establishes a trust by verifying who you are. Authorization defines what you can do once your identity is confirmed. The task goal of security and data protection process, the authentication authorization infrastructure, deploy and develop and deploy AI infrastructure to ensure efficient authentication and authorization. DID utilize a DID for user identity without a central authority. SSI enable users to control their own identity data. VC verifiable credential allows issuance and verification of credentials that user control, establish interoperability standards, facilitate peer-to-peer authentication. So authentication authorization is developed using the latest technologies that implemented with OpenID Connect for verifiable credential, OpenID Connect for verifiable presentation, and SIOP v 2.0. AAI offer a both standards-based solution for identity and access management, serving as a backbone for secure access control across entire system. AI provide a cryptographically secure mechanism for issuing and management of a verifiable credential, empowering users with the enhanced control over their identities, digital identities, and permissions, utilizing the decentralized identifiers, DID, and verifiable credentials. System enable users to manage their identities independently, reducing reliance on a central authority and strengthening both privacy and trust. To ensure secure standardized credential exchange, AI integrated OpenID for verifiable credential issuance, facilitating a reliable protocol for identity information exchange. This protocol supports secure consent-based sharing of credentials, which reinforce user autonomy over personal data while streamlining the verification process for ease of use. For this development purpose, we developed three microservices, which are verifier service, AI issuer service, and token validation service. These services have a different component like user login, credential request, generate or display QR code, verifier credential validator, verify presentation response, VP token generations, then token service, issuer storage, credential service. In the validation service, there's a validate JWT token and a validate token based on DID. So that first of all, user need to get the credentials to use it, like same like a sign up. So we call it a issuer screen using open ID for verifiable credentials. User need to fill up the some basic details in the input fields. After filling the basic details, user can click on the share button. When you click the share button, it will navigate to the next screen where the user get the QR code and scan it with using the FAME identity wallet. After scanning the QR code with the FAME identity wallet, it in the mobile wallet, it navigate to the next screen like a new contact is detected, so user can verify it and accept it. When accepting it, the mobile wallet will get the information. It will communicate with our AI backend service and then get the information. In the next screen you can see the details which is fetched from the AI service, like a user name or nickname or region. So here you can see the dashboard when one of the pilot we are using, and we can show here the how we can use the identity wallet. Using the mobile wallet, user can scan the QR code and log in. Here your user is scanning the QR code and then accept the button. After accepting this button, he will be able to log in, and you can see the dashboard on the screen.